In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Tracfone TCL Flip 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and use your TCL Flip 2. So after you receive your Tracfone Flip 2, what you have to do is visit the official Tracfone website. So through a web browser on your computer or any sort of smartphone, go to tracfone.com. And when you access this page, go to the activation page. So click on activate at the top of the screen right here. When you choose activate, you will see this message, activation, and you can choose between a new phone or keep your own phone. In this case, I'm going to assume that you purchased the Flip 2 new, so choose this option, new phone, one you've purchased through Tracfone. Upon choosing activate, you will be asked if you want a new number or if you want to keep your own. Again, it is down to personal preference. I'm going to assume that you purchased it new and you want a new phone, so choose this option here and then proceed. And you will be asked about the SIM card. Do you want to use your physical or the embedded eSIM? For most phones, it is going to be a physical SIM card, so choose this option here at the top. Proceed. And now they will give you instructions. We will need to identify your device's IMEI or serial number to be able to identify it. So you can find it on the red activation card that came with your device. If you still need help, you can choose this option here and they will tell you specifically where to find it or what to do if you cannot find it anywhere. And once you input the IMEI code here, agree with the terms and continue, the request will be placed. To finish all of this off, you will need to sign into an account. If you don't have one, create an account using your email address, a password, and a 4-digit security PIN. Once your account has been created, you will see this message, activation request submitted. We are almost done, and then just follow these steps here. Turn the phone off and back on, make a call, and if it does not connect, give it a few minutes, reboot and try again. If the call is completed, you can text 411 or 611 and ask for your balance. And to set up voicemail, press and hold the 1 key or call *86. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you set up your Tracfone, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.